Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye. Here we go on another ride along. Woo! So today's job, we got an Acura that came in, and this dent is on the rear quarter panel. We call it a dog leg. It's kind of a weird name, but they call it a dog leg. It's kind of, you get the wheel and then that little piece of metal that goes down by the wheel towards the middle of the car. It's called a dog leg. And the dent happened there. The customer doesn't know how it happened. It's just one of those things that happened in the parking lot. And today we're going to do glue pulling on that. It's a good sized dent. I think it's like this big. But I have to do glue pulling on it because I cannot get a tool behind it at all. So we're going to go through the steps of that and tell the customer all about the glue pulling method and explain the risks and rewards. And let's see if we can clean this car up for him. It's kind of a show car, kind of a racy car. But let's check it out and see how it goes. Here we go, Acura TL. That is one bad Acura. Thing is so clean. Original paint. Woohoo! So clean. And here is the dent. See that? Dent right there. That's our glue pulling dent that we're going to do today. I'm looking forward to it. Here we go. There's the dent. There's my light, my hot glue, some tools, some of my glue tabs, and hammers. Hammers and knockdowns. So I'm all finished here with the glue pulling on this dent. This thing came out cherry. It came out so good. Customer was super happy, amazed that it just gone. Can't even see any speck of it left. I'm super, super happy with it. Customers happy with it. This was a fun job. It took me a while. It was a fun job, especially doing it for such an awesome customer like that. Anyway, take care. See you on the next Dent.